Hello, welcome to another video. I am very happy to have you here with me, and be aware that today I will talk about the fat-burning kitchen. Are you tired of striving to lose weight, just to see minimal results despite expensive supplements and restrictive diets? The fat-burning kitchen, turn your body into a fat-burning machine. But first of all, I ask you to stay until the end of the video because I have important alerts to talk to you. It is important to be aware of frauds and scams related to this product. To ensure your safety, I left in the description of this video the official link where you can enjoy a special offer from the producer. Remembering that the purpose of the video is completely informative, so stay until the end of the video because I have important alerts to do. What is it? Are you tired of restrictive diets and fatigue? Want to lose weight in a healthy and sustainable way? If so, the Fat-Burning Kitchen is the perfect book for you. The Fat-Burning Kitchen is based on the following principles. Concentration in whole, nutrient-rich foods. The authors believe that whole foods are the best way to eat to lose weight and improve health. They provide a list of foods that you should prioritize in your diet. Portion control. The authors also believe that portion control is essential for losing weight. They provide specific guidelines for the portion sizes of each food. Increase protein intake. Proteins are essential to maintain satiety and help build lean muscle mass. The authors recommend that you eat about 1.5 to 2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. Reduced carbohydrate intake. The authors believe that refined carbohydrates can cause weight gain and inflammation. They recommend that you limit your intake of refined carbohydrates to about 25% of your total calories. The Fat-Burning Kitchen includes more than 100 delicious and healthy recipes that will help you lose weight and maintain lost weight. The recipes are easy to follow and can be prepared in a short time. If you are ready to lose weight in a healthy and sustainable way, the Fat-Burning Kitchen is the perfect book for you. Benefits. Here are some of the specific benefits of the Fat-Burning Kitchen. Based on scientific evidence, the Fat-Burning Kitchen is based on years of research and experience. Easy to follow, the Fat-Burning Kitchen is written in a clear and concise style, which is easy to follow, even for beginners. Customizable, the Fat-Burning Kitchen is flexible enough to be tailored to your individual needs. If you are looking for an effective and sustainable weight loss plan, the Fat-Burning Kitchen is the perfect choice for you. Warranty. The program offers a 100% guarantee for your customers of 60 days to return the product. If you are not fully satisfied with the product within 60 days, just contact us at or call the toll-free number. Full refund of the product within 48 hours of return, no questions and questions as to why. Conclusion. The Fat-Burning Kitchen is a comprehensive and effective guide to weight loss. It is based on scientific evidence and is easy to follow, even for beginners. If you are tired of restrictive diets and strenuous workouts, the Fat-Burning Kitchen is the perfect solution for you. With this guide, you can lose weight quickly and easily, improve your overall health, and feel more confident and happy with your body. Order yours today and start turning your body into a fat-burning machine.